This is the Autolite 1100, the new one that I got from eBay. I believe it's made by a company called HENKYO. HENKYO, I don't know how I say that, and I could not get it to run right in the Rambler. Now, as soon as I took these, I noticed that the gasket here was wet, and when I'm taking the screws off, I noticed that they're not tight at all, like they're loose, and none of the adjustments are correct, best I can tell. There was flooding, and the seller actually says that it's common for the needle to be damaged or sticking, so I'm going to start with checking the float level. But the thing is, I don't know if the adjustments on the new one are the same as the adjustments on the old one. But assuming they are, then this is way off. Over here is supposed to have a 3/16 inch clearance between that pin and the face of this thing here. Over here, when I got this screw here was completely out. I just turned it in because I thought it would do something, and I think it's supposed to be in even more, so it wasn't turned in at all, like it was way out here. This here, so I sent the seller a message, but their adjustment instructions were very vague, and they just sent me 3 pictures that don't really mean anything, so I'm gonna have to recheck this. And I did get it to run, but not well. So I'm gonna finish disassembling this and see what it looks like. So in order to get the top off, I just had to remove the pin here, which removed the whole linkage for the air vent. So this here is the air vent, sorry, the gasoline vent, or I think it's called an air vent, just a vent. So it opens and closes the valve to this pipe here, so that the vapors can come out this way. And according to the original instructions for this carburetor, this ridge, that ridge there, is supposed to be flush or flat with the edge of this here, and which it wasn't.